In the dense rainforests of Central and South America, an enchanting spectacle unfolds, a vibrant display of avian artistry known as the manakin bird's dance. These small, charismatic birds captivate researchers, naturalists, and wildlife enthusiasts alike with their intricate courtship rituals and dazzling acrobatics. Join us on an exhilarating journey as we delve into the secret lives of these extraordinary creatures in Dance of the Manakins, a fascinating world of avian choreography. Chapter 1: The World of Manakins. Introduction to manakins: Physical characteristics, distribution, and diversity of species. Habitat preferences and unique adaptations for life in the rainforest. Overview of the manakin's social structure and behaviors. Chapter 2: Courtship and Mating. Courtship rituals, an exploration of the elaborate display